Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. And here's how it is done. Open the Facebook app, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap your name at the top. Tap the three dots next to your profile. If you haven't already, switch to professional mode. The option will appear near the bottom. Follow the steps to enable it. Once that is done, go back to your profile and tap Professional Dashboard. Tap Insights at the top, then tap See All. Here, you can view data like total profile views, engagement, and audience info. Note, Facebook doesn't show who exactly viewed your profile, only total numbers and general insights. And that is everything to know about how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.